I bought that at Bunnings and Tim put it in. We have an electronic stud finder, which is very important when you're putting things in that you want to be secure.
Tim, our son-in-law, installed that.
Yes.
Which means I get, not only do I get the benefit of height adjustment, but I also get the benefit of a fairly long grab rail.
Because Paul can use the rail that the shower slides up and down on as a grab rail, because it's out from the wall a bit and get your hand behind it. Well, I started looking on the internet and the prices were astounding. I mean, some of them were up to $500. Oh, they were the Rolls Royce of showers, obviously. And I went to Bunnings, and the big Bunnings in Newcastle, and went to the plumbing department and said, you know, asked to talk to somebody who knew about these things, and got an older man who was very good. I explained that I needed something that could be installed instead of the overhead shower, because my husband would be sitting on a shower stool and had to be able to reach things. And he said, look, this one works beautifully, nothing wrong with it. And I think it was $105 or...
And it's easy enough to kind of get in and out of that slotty bit to put it back in?
Paul doesn't seem to have any trouble with it, no. I'd been to one of the big plumbing places and their prices were, you know, over the top. Yeah. There's a firm called Reese Plumbing, and they have lovely stuff, but oh boy, they know how to charge.